Hey Titans, welcome to your Cal State Fullerton. For nearly 70 years, Titans have led industries, built communities, and expanded opportunities across our state and beyond. Now you are a part of that amazing story. You are joining a global alumni network of more than 300,000 strong. Our Titans are leaders, innovators, and change makers who began their journey right here on this beautiful campus. This is a place where you will grow and shape your future. Now, whether you are a first-time student, first gen, pursuing a second career, transferring into Cal State Fullerton, you belong right here with us. I want you to know that Titans come from all backgrounds, but what connects us is our ambition. And I hope that you'll come here and discover yourself, your strengths, your gifts, your purpose. I'd also like to invite you and your loved ones to come and join us for Experience Cal State Fullerton Day. Come and see why so many Titans call this place home. Now remember this right here, this is important. Know that we have chosen you, and I'm asking you to choose us. We are excited about your future. Go Titans!